We're live. Today is my birthday. I'm just starting with that camera there. Alright, so. And here is that little white box there. And hopefully that'll show up right. Okay, so and then I started this camera. Today is 22 October 2019, my 60th birthday. Yeah, I said that in a live video. Okay, so here I've bought for myself this WonVon. Wait. Here's the remote for the camera. That camera. Here, let me. So I can't really see the. So here is this. This is an unboxing of that. I didn't win it for that. I got it for less because I had a coupon. eBay bucks. You know what the eBay bucks is, right? So, but that's what I got, and so now I'm going to simply. Wait, is that the wrong? What did I do there? Hopefully I didn't do anything. Okay, so now I'm going to unbox this. I just got it yesterday in the mail. I've already peeled back the address thing, so I'm going to continue opening up this here on a camera, also live on Facebook. And well, here it is. It's got some kind of print on here. It says full HD 1080p. So here it is. It's a high definition dual camera. Full HD. Okay, that's what it says there. So now how do we open it? I guess it looks like just that it comes off like this. So there we go. Here is, I don't know what that is, but I guess that's the camera. Let's see here. Can you see it? Yeah, you better tilt this camera down some. There we go. Alright, so there, that comes out of there. Great. Let me flip this up. Okay, so that's it. So if I get, can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. Alright, so here's the little suction cup deal. What I was looking for is a suction cup style one of these, and here's a little, you know, you unscrew that and you tighten that and you flop that down and it sucks on the thing. Great. And then we've got a you know, cigarette lighter thing with a oh great, it's got the, I don't know if you know what size, what kind that is, but it's that kind of plug. But I already have that kind of plug already with a full-time hot. And it comes with another accessory plug to plug in your, you know, to your power supply or whatever. And this, of course, is the camera itself right here. It's a little tiny thing, but the thing about it for me is that it's got two cameras. So this is the front camera, and then this is the interior camera. And that's very important. I wanted to get something that had two. Oh, look, that does swivel. Okay. So there's the deal which will plug into this. I'm guessing like this. Alright, so that will go on there. And it has a little click to lock it in place. Alright. And we've got the, you know, the TF card goes here on the side, and it's got the three little buttons. And more buttons, and the power thing goes on that side. Great. And so it's supposed to be an all glass lens. That's all I know, like that. Okay, great. So there's that. And then here are the instructions. And I really wanted to see the instructions, so I'm going to try and let y'all see it. Kind of, well, kind of hard to do this in a video, but it's very nice. It comes with right, really hard to, let's see if I can do this way here. If I just stand up and turn the page, so pause the video. You know how to do that, right? So I'll read this later, and then I'll install it later. And so here, well, here's that page, if you can see that. I don't know how well that shows up in the camera, but okay. And we've got some more stuff in the back here. Again, I'll read this later. But that's just all I wanted to show was that. I'm going to install this in my truck so I can have some better video, hopefully, of what I'm doing going down the road. Okay, so, and then of course this is, here's the, oh, what does that show in the camera? That doesn't show in the camera. Here, put this, where's the remote go? I'll just do it manually if I can do it without shutting off the camera. See, went the wrong way, this way. There we go, so, make you all famous. Okay, so, there's that, there's the remote, okay. Yeah, so there he is. Today's my birthday, yahoo. Rewarded myself with a new camera. So I got that and these people here, and that's all. Oh, I got 46 more posts. Well, anyway, I've always wanted to put one of these in a video, so here it is in this little video. Alright, so hi, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta continue on doing things. Thank you, everybody, so far. It's, what time is it? It's, oh yeah, I forgot to do that. I always like to do that. It's 11:03/22 October 2019, so you see it in this camera? There it is. It's that time of day. Okay, great. So this was live. Alright, thanks for watching. I gotta shut this one off. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye. Thanks for watching on YouTube.